So first off, I kind of just want to start this video by saying that I'm frustrated. I'm frustrated because I don't have any money. And it's like, okay, I don't have money currently. I just started my new business called Plush. It's a luxury pajama line. Check it out. I'll put the caption down below. But I'm frustrated more so because I know I have so much potential, but I don't know what to do with it. I know I'm smart. I know I'm good at business. I know I'm good at marketing. I know that I'm good at learning fast, but it's like, what can I do with that and still be sustainable and still be able to live? So, of course, I still live with my mom. I'm only 18. My birthday is next month and I'm turning 19. And I'm like, okay, it's getting real. Like, 20 years old, I don't want to be depending on my mom for money. I don't want to be working for somebody else. I want to be my own space. I just want to have my own. I just want to have my own freedom, financial freedom to do whatever I want. Not in the sense like, oh, I'm grown, I'm 20, I can do what I want now. No, because I know my mom is somewhere saying, calm down, Nia, you're still not grown just because you're 20 years old. But it's like, I feel like at 20, that's your time. Like, that's your time to get your life together. Your life should be figured out, or at least you need to have a serious plan as to how you're going to figure out your life. And right now, it's like I'm kind of all over the place. So, with that being said, I want to sort of document my experience and my journey through this thing called entrepreneurship, with my business, with every other venture that I want to dibble and dabble in. And another thing is, I'm a Gemini, so I'm pretty much good at everything that I put my mind to, and I don't have a problem trying new things and experiencing new ideas and trying them and failing. I don't have a problem with that. That's why I'm at the place where I am now. There's so much that I can do, and through research, other YouTube videos, and just experiencing life, walking outside, meeting new people, networking, it's like, all right, I got to figure something out. I don't mind having 10 different businesses as long as they're 10 different successful businesses and not like mediocre businesses. And I know in order to get the 10 good ones, I have to start with one good one. And that's what I'm planning on Plush. So I just want to take my YouTube followers through my journey with Plush, through my journey with business, through my journey of being an entrepreneur and having my mom and others as a mentor to really help guide me to find my direction. So if that makes sense and if you're willing to take the journey with me, that would be awesome, and continue watching my channel.